Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Blackburn Rovers away shirt for the 24-25 season, and this is a kids version. The shirt was purchased from BestZV1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also try and leave a dhgate link for any Blackburn shirts that I can find. Apologies if I sound really poorly, that's because I am. I've had this flu cold that's been going around now for the last few days, which is why I've been slacking a little bit on uploading videos on YouTube. I've not done many on TikTok for a while either, but hopefully we'll get rid of this cold soon, as obviously we want to celebrate the festive period that's coming up. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag, and again on this side it is plain. Can't remember whether this comes with shorts or not. I know there's no socks in there, but once we get it out we'll take a proper dive and have a look. If you're new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions and messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But right now we'll undo the packaging and we'll have a look at the Blackburn away shirt for the 24-25 season in kids version, and this was purchased from BestZV1.com. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt here now, and as with the other ones, the collar line looks really big on these kids ones. I'm not sure overly why. You've got Macron on the sleeve that's been heat pressed on. The Macron on the shirt that's been embroidered in. Likewise, the Blackburn crest has been embroidered in. On the sleeve, you have the Venky's patch, and again Macron. I think from memory, the kids' shirts do not have Venky's on the side. Sponsor, Watson at Ramsbottom. That's gone on lovely actually, really smooth. And then you have the official licensed product dhgate fabric, which again I think is way too big. I've not actually noticed that on the kids one, but I will take a look. But yeah, to me that looks really big. Okay, we'll flip it around now and we'll have a look at the reverse side of this Blackburn away shirt. Okay, we're onto the reverse side of the shirt now, and you've got the 94-95 at the top here, which again, I don't know, it just feels really quite large, quite big. Feels like that's the print of an adult's one. Maybe that's how it is on the kids one, I don't know. You've got Charlie here, obviously it's from my lad, and this has been heat pressed on. I'm just thinking that might be on the slight wonk actually, and the number 10. Sometimes when they put the white font on there, it's quite see-through, I don't know why. At the bottom, the hemline, quite a small one. But the stitching doesn't look too bad. There's a loose thread there that I just spotted, but nothing a pair of scissors will not sort out. Okay, there's the reverse side. We'll flip it around and we'll look at the inside now. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now, and again, the collar line just looks so big. I'm sure it's not meant to be like that. I've turned it around. I didn't pull the sleeve out properly, but the stitching on it looks all okay. There is an excess thread there, but nothing too bad. And likewise on this side again, stitching looks pretty good on that one actually. Bit of excess cotton there. Blackburn crest, that's normal for the join, and the Macron looks fine. Where the Venky's and the Macron's been heat pressed on, that all looks good. We have our washing instructions down here. Recommendation with these shirts is flip them inside out and put it on hand wash setting. Then when you dry it, just let it hang dry, do not tumble dry it. Stitching on the hemline looks actually pretty tidy. Also around the bottom, no creases at all. Looking good. Okay, here's the final part of the inside of the shirt, and we do have a sports performance tag on there. The stickers are half hanging off actually. You've got the Blackburn Macron size 20. My lad, Charlie, he is 5, so for a 5-year-old he's relatively tall, but this is the size that we found fits him best. We've also got the M Performance system there. So his name is printed here, which you can just see the outlines of it, and you can probably just see the outlines of number 10. But they're as smooth as can be. Hemline all looks tidy down there. All looking good. Right, let me show you the shorts now, because a pair of shorts did come in this bag. Okay, here are the shorts that come with the shirt. So you've got the Blackburn crest, which has been embroidered on, Macron embroidered on, and you've got the number 10 there. Also some Macron on the sides. When you purchase items from BestZV1 for kids, by looks at them, you do get shorts with it, but there's no socks. I know when you buy them from dhgate, you do get socks with them, but no issues at all with them not supplying the socks. To be fair, he tends to wear the shirts and shorts more so. But yeah, that is the shorts that come in the bag. And there we have it. There's our Blackburn Rovers away shirt for the 24-25 season in kid size, with my lad Charlie, number 10 on the back. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these video reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The items purchased from BestZV1.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video, along with a dhgate link as well. He'll be happy with this one. It's going to be one of his Christmas presents, so I know he'll be happy. He spills food down all the time, so to be honest with you, I don't grudge buying these shirts because it'll probably only last him 6 months or so. So all in all, yeah, I'm happy, and I know he'll be happy too. Apologies that I've sounded really rough on this one. It has been a struggle recording this one. Hopefully I feel better by the end of the week, so I've got some more that I need to get recorded to come out on Friday and then on Saturday as well, so fingers crossed I feel better soon. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.